Hi, I'm Nicole Pruitt, and today I'll be talking about the web-based app called Quizlet. Quizlet allows teachers or students to create flashcards and then quiz themselves with those flashcards. You will need internet connection. It works on computer, tablet, or phone, and it is free, although you can purchase upgrades if you want. This app is useful for students to help them learn terms or definitions or symbols for a new unit. So we are working in the bottom levels of Bloom's taxonomy and the know and understand. Within the SAMR model, this app lies in the substitution level because we are just using a digital format of flashcards. We're not creating new ideas or concepts. With that, let's get started. In your search bar, you're going to type in Quizlet.com and it will bring you to this homepage. You will need to sign up in the upper right-hand corner and it will prompt you to do all of this information. I'm just going to log in very quickly. Once you do create an account, and again, it is free for you and your students, it will bring you to this home page and you now get to create your flashcards. So on the left-hand side, you're going to click on sets and it will prompt you to create a set. You will need to enter a title for your set. I happen to be a band teacher. So first period band, and we are learning about our music vocabulary. You do have the option right here to add a picture for your students to label, like a diagram. Today we're going to be focusing on flashcards. So right here in box number 1, you can enter your term. Again, I'm a band teacher, so forte. And then my definition is to play loud. As you can see, examples will pop up for you. You can choose those if you want, or pick your own, whatever you want to type in. The very first box here, it will ask you to choose a language. So whatever your language is. So you have your term, your definition, and then you have the option of creating an image to put with your term. You can use any image in their database, or you can upload your own image from your own library. And that's your first flashcard. You move on and down here to number 2. You put in your term and your definition. Again, you can add an image if you would want to. Now you have the option of adding as many flashcards as you want. They have 5 here. You can click add card to create more. Once you're done with your set, you click create. It will save it for you. And now we get to the fun part of this app. Here is your flashcard. Your term was forte. If you click on it, it will flip it over and it will tell you your answer and the symbol if you provided one. And you can just keep clicking it over and over until you've learned it if you want. Once you're done with that word, you click on this arrow and you're down to your next term. What is really cool about this, about Quizlet, is it provides many ways for you to test yourself. So on this left-hand side here, you're on flashcards. If you click down here on learn, it will give you the definition, and then you have to click pick which is the right term. Okay. Play loud is forte. And it will tell you your stats. If you click back, so we did learn, you can also write your answers. It will prompt you to write what the answer is. We'll go back here. You can spell. So you type what you hear. Back. And then you can, there's a test here, and it will set it up for you like a test would be in the actual classroom. So we're just going to go back again. So why I love this is because students can test themselves in many different ways. For you, the teacher, down here is kind of your toolbox. You can edit your flashcards. You can share them. If you do choose to share them, you can share them on your Google Classroom, which is great. However, I would suggest letting your students create their own flashcards. Let them log in, create their own flashcards, and then they have access for it. Down here, if you scroll down, they have all of their stats, which ones they've never missed, which ones they haven't done before. So it's really, really great. If you click this little dot here, you have the option of deleting them, printing, or looking at your scores. I think this is a great opportunity for students to learn their definitions in a new and exciting way, and I hope you learned something. Thank you so much.